Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on a haptic feedback on the successful authentication on your Face ID on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it's all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit and tap on accessibility. And then you want to go to the Face ID and attention. So here, the attention hour features is, I don't know why it is locked, but I guess it is on all the time. So the iPhone is going to look for your attention before dimming the display, expanding a notification when locked, or lowering the volume of some alerts. It is going to monitor you, as you can see with those little lights, if you have the attention of your face. It just means if you're looking on a screen or not. And also here you have haptic unsuccessful authentication, so it means play a haptic feedback, so a little vibration when your Face ID successfully unlocks your iPhone, authorizes autopay, Apple Pay, or verifies iTunes and App Store purchases. So if you turn on this feature, once you are going to hold your phone and unlock it with your face using the Face ID, when the iPhone is going to be unlocked, you're going to get a little vibration that it has been unlocked. So now it's off, now it's on. And again, how to get to this setting. So main settings page, swipe down, accessibility, Face ID, and here is this feature. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.